Most cordless vacuums promise powerful suction, but only a few actually deep clean your home. Please watch this video till the end, because today I'm revealing the top 5 best cordless vacuum cleaners in 2026, and by the end, you'll know exactly which one is the best for your money. Whether you're dealing with pet hair, carpets, or hard floors, this list is carefully researched to help you choose the right vacuum without wasting money. I'll cover real cleaning performance, battery life, features, and the biggest advantages of each model. Let's start the countdown from number 5. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. Eureka ReactiSense 440. The Eureka ReactiSense 440 is a smart cordless vacuum designed for efficient whole home cleaning. It offers up to 60 minutes of runtime and features intelligent sensing technology that adjusts suction power automatically. It also includes an anti-tangle brush roll, making it ideal for pet owners. Review highlights: this vacuum performs well across both carpets and hard floors. The smart suction adjustment helps extend battery life while maintaining strong cleaning performance. Pros: up to 60 minutes runtime, intelligent suction adjustment, anti-tangle brush roll for pet hair, great for mixed floor types. Number 4. 500-watt 45 kPa vacuum. This cordless vacuum delivers strong suction power with its 500-watt motor and 45 kPa suction capability. It features a lightweight design, LED display, and green headlights for spotting hidden dust. It also includes a 6-stage filtration system for better air quality. Review highlights: this vacuum is powerful and efficient for daily cleaning tasks. The headlights and filtration system make it especially useful for detailed cleaning. Pros: strong 45 kPa suction power, LED display and green headlights, 6-stage filtration system, lightweight and easy to handle. Number 3. Nadali Vacuum. The Nadali cordless vacuum stands out with its 550-watt motor and powerful 45 kPa suction, along with an impressive 65-minute runtime. It features an LED display, anti-tangle design, and a self-standing build for added convenience. Review highlights: this vacuum offers excellent performance for deep cleaning carpets and picking up pet hair. Its long runtime and strong suction make it ideal for larger homes. Pros: 550-watt motor with strong suction, up to 65 minutes runtime, anti-tangle brush design, self-standing and versatile. Number 2. Eureka ReactiClean 410. The Eureka ReactiClean 410 is a lightweight cordless vacuum designed for everyday use. Weighing just 5.5 pounds, it offers up to 50 minutes of runtime and works well on both hardwood floors and carpets. It's especially suitable for pet owners and allergy-sensitive households. Review highlights: this vacuum is easy to maneuver and performs consistently well for daily cleaning. It's a great balance of performance and convenience. Pros: lightweight at only 5.5 pounds, up to 50 minutes runtime, good for pet hair and allergies, easy handling and maneuverability. Number 1. Shark Clean and Empty Vacuum. The Shark Clean and Empty cordless vacuum is a premium option featuring a self-emptying system and a HEPA filtration system for capturing fine dust and allergens. It's lightweight, rechargeable, and designed for both carpets and hard floors. Review highlights: this vacuum stands out for its convenience and advanced filtration. The auto-empty system reduces maintenance, while the suction power ensures deep cleaning performance. Pros: auto-empty system for hands-free cleaning, HEPA filtration for better air quality, strong performance on all floor types, lightweight and portable. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Now, as promised, let's talk about the best product overall. After comparing suction power, features, convenience, and overall value, the Shark Clean and Empty cordless stick vacuum stands out as the best cordless vacuum cleaner in 2026. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.